Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my night skincare routine that I use when looking to achieve all of the brightening and anti-aging effects. This routine is suitable for people like myself that have very sensitive skin, and I would also definitely recommend this routine to anybody who's looking to add retinol into their routine for the first time. All right, shower is done. I'm feeling really good after that. Now it is time to do some skincare. And a few weeks ago, I was on TikTok and I was swiping and I saw Dr. Zianko's video, and she had mentioned SOMEBYMI and how their products are really good for sensitive skin. If you guys are not familiar, SOMEBYMI is a really popular skincare brand here in Korea. I started using their products towards the end of April, so it's been well over 2 weeks now, which means I feel like I've formulated a pretty good opinion, a solid opinion on how I feel. All right, let's go ahead and give our skin some extra moisture with toner. So here I'm using the SOMEBYMI Beta-Panthenol Repair Toner. So for starters, this does such a good job at giving your skin a burst of hydration as soon as you get out of the shower. You guys know how it is, like when you hit that dry air, your skin just kind of feels like it's gonna start to dry out. But when you put this on, it gives your skin so much moisture, and I absolutely love, like I can't even explain how much I love the formula of this. It's kind of like a little bit milky in a way. When you apply it, it absorbs really nicely into the skin. So I'll usually just tap it on like this, and then within just a few seconds I can actually feel my skin absorbing all of the product. All right, moving on, let's go ahead and apply a little bit of cream. So this is their Beta-Panthenol Repair Cream, and this has to be one of the most innovative and interesting creams I've ever used on my face. So this has pretty high amounts of beta-panthenol, which is equivalent to burn treatments. If you guys aren't familiar, a lot of people tend to get burn treatments on their face at skincare clinics to help repair a damaged skin barrier, but instead of paying like a higher price for those, you can actually just use a cream like this, which does have super similar effects. I know it's only been a couple weeks of me using this product, but I swear I can see a difference in the actual like physical strength of my skin. When I press down, I feel like it has like a lot more strong elasticity compared to before. All right, and to finish off my routine, in my opinion, a good skincare routine is not complete without a solid eye cream. You guys know, like, I love eye creams. I think they're very beneficial. This one, oh my goodness, this is my new holy grail, and I can understand why this has become incredibly popular. I've been seeing it all over TikTok. I posted this on my Instagram story, and I had several of my friends ask me, they were like, where did you find that? I can't find it anywhere. This is on Amazon if you guys want to get it for starters, but this is the SOMEBYMI Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream, aka my new miracle product. I absolutely love this combination. I feel like using all of these together, the Beta-Panthenol plus the retinol together, I've been seeing amazing results, and I've actually never talked about retinol on my channel before. This is the first time. Because I have such sensitive skin, I've been very cautious to use retinol because it's just not something I felt like my skin could handle. If you guys are unfamiliar, retinol is a form of vitamin A, and it's an ingredient that's added into skincare. Retinol is pretty much used to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and overall will give your skin a more, I guess you could call it like a plump looking effect if you're using it consistently. Majority of the reviews that I read had said that it was suitable for sensitive skin, and I just want to first start out by saying I absolutely would have to agree. You guys know, like, I've suffered with acne and breakouts for years and years and years, and I have not experienced any kind of breakouts after using this. When you start out with using a retinol, you want to be really kind of like slow and steady and build up the amount that you're using as the days and the weeks go on. I would recommend using only, I would say, like 3 grains of rice your first time. Just honestly, like this amount, I feel like this is definitely enough. I really appreciate how this leaves my skin feeling dewy instead of sticky or dry or any other weird texture. And I feel like if my hair flies onto my skin, it's not gonna like stick to it or anything like that. And overall, I'm just really pleasantly surprised. I've been very intimidated from the idea of using retinol. And another thing I want to say is I never experienced any kind of burning from using this. As you guys saw, like after I apply it, my skin just looks normal. It doesn't get red or sensitive. The nice thing about this product is they make it really easy to control how much you are actually putting on your skin with the way that they design the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging as well as the little tube that it comes out from. And just from looking at my before and afters from the past like 2 to 3 weeks, I can already see a difference. The biggest change I can see, well, first of all, I feel like my under eyes are just completely like way brighter than before, but I have noticed I have like a wrinkle coming on like where my smile lines are, which obviously like that's very natural, but one side is much more prominent than the other. And I've been applying it around like this area every single morning and night, and I can see a huge difference already. And I had talked earlier about how I feel like my skin is more plump, and I also feel like it's more lifted after using this, and I think that's because it contains peptides and collagen. Collagen is amazing for your skin. If you're looking for something to help with lifting effects, I would try this out because of the collagen in it. For the best effect, I would definitely recommend using it with the Beta-Panthenol toner, cleanser, as well as cream. I feel like the synergy of just all of them together works out really well. I am so excited to continue using these products throughout the summer. I'm gonna have to update you guys in a few months and let you guys know like what more effects I've been seeing. But if you want to get your hands on any of these products, they're all available on Amazon for international shoppers, so I'll have all of those links down in the description below.